Let's talk about the beach. A beach is a stretch of sand at the edge of the ocean. The sand at a beach is soft and warm on a sunny day. In some places, it is white or golden. Waves come in from the ocean and wash over the shore. They rise and fall with a gentle sound. People go to the beach to swim, relax, and enjoy the sun. Beaches are popular in summer. Many people bring towels, sunscreen, and umbrellas to the beach. Children love playing at the beach. They build sandcastles, collect shells, and splash in the water. Shells can be found along the shoreline. Each one has a different shape and color. Many sea creatures live near the beach. Crabs and small fish can be found in the water. Beaches become very busy in July and August. Beach houses sell food and rent surfboards. Colored swimming flags show where it is safe to enter the water. Red flags mean it is dangerous. Surfing is popular at some beaches. Surfers wait for the right wave and ride it. The ocean water tastes salty. You don't drink it, but it is wonderful to swim in. It is important to clean up after yourself at the beach. Rubbish on the sand is harmful to sea life. A beach is a beautiful and relaxing place. The sound of the waves and the warmth of the sand make it special.